Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the activation lock and gathering credentials, because without the Apple ID you cannot activate the iPad after reset. Once ready, sign into iCloud. Com on another device and confirm the iPad appears in Find My. If you have the Apple ID, sign out of iCloud on the iPad in Settings. This removes the lock when done. Make sure to leave Wi-Fi on. The device needs network access to clear activation lock on Apple servers. If you control the Apple ID, proceed to erase the iPad from settings so activation lock clears during setup. Tap Transfer or Reset, choose Erase all content in settings, and enter the Apple ID password when asked. This authorizes removal from your account. Alternatively, erase remotely via iCloud. Select the device, issue erase, then choose Remove from account once erased. Keep the iPad connected to Wi-Fi and wait for completion. This ensures activation servers register the device as unlocked for the next setup. If you do not have the Apple ID, first contact the original owner and request they remove the device from iCloud or provide credentials. Once that fails, gather proof of purchase, original receipt showing serial or IMEI, and contact Apple support. They can remove activation lock only with valid proof, because this prevents theft. If Apple cannot verify ownership, the iPad will remain activation locked and cannot be fully reset for use. Troubleshooting tip: if removal stalls, reboot the iPad and retry the iCloud erase.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.